Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get future updates and notifications. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you for a 6 months Mockplus license. Mockplus is giving away the 6 months licenses. And what is Mockplus? Mockplus is a prototyping software. It will convert your user designs and your phone designs into a prototype, which can enable you to understand the application that you are going to make. So, what I want you to do is to head over to the Mockplus website and register. When you've registered, you will be able to access a 7-day trial Mockplus, but that is not the best. So what I want you is to go to click on the link in the description below and register for Mockplus. You can see I've registered mine. After that you click the next link in the description below to get your you click on the link on the description below to head over to the 6-month subscription license, where you will get all the information concerning your 6-month subscription. So what I urge you to do is to follow the instruction. Click on the second link below. You can see I have created mine. It is expiring on the 12th of the 3rd month of 2020. So I believe that is all information that we will get a free license. What I urge you is to click on the subscribe button below to get much information concerning this channel. We're providing free licenses every now and then, so it's for your benefit if you click the subscribe button and then bell notification icon. Thank you.
Flying from town to town, from London to China, I've been